AC Guy 1948 here. After the other day was getting the mower stuck out that way, I decided, what if I took the tires off that three-wheeler, considering the bolt pattern is the exact same. They're both 8-inch rims. It just has a lot taller tire. What is this? it's a 28 by 65 by 8. And this here was a 18 by 9.5 by 8. So a lot taller, a lot bigger tire, and a lot more aggressive, which is great because my yard is super soft and I've got some mowing that needs to be done in areas, and the rain just won't stop. I don't want it to get too far ahead of me. Now the deck is just slightly a different height in the front from the rear. Not enough to really make a difference. I can adjust it out on the, I just knock it down a notch, and it's doing a good job out there. It's not leaving high, one side's not higher than the other. So we'll go for a little drive on this. It is a little bit quicker with those taller tires. I'm not sure how good that is for the hydros, but we will find out. I mean, it's not pushing that much more weight. These are pretty balloony tires. I wouldn't figure it hurt it. And also the ride is a lot smoother with all that extra sidewall. I mean, just look at how it flexes. Alright, we'll hop on here, fire her up. Gotta disengage this parking brake. I wish it was included in these. That's one gripe I have about this. See, the hydros don't whine any more than they did with the other ones at low speed. I would have got stuck out here for sure with the other ones. Alright, we'll gauge the deck, and I'll look for a high spot. Right there's a high spot. We'll try mowing that. Sorry, I pushed a button on the phone. I've got to get me a new phone. This thing is just awful. Anyway, as you can see, it still cuts fairly level. It's not leaving a bunch of high spots in the yard. So the big tires really didn't make that much of a difference. But they sure did traction-wise. As soft as it is, I would have got stuck for sure. Look at that, I'm thinking just walking out here. Those things just float over it. So it's got some clearance. Boy, I'm just getting stuck. Got a little bit of clearance. It's like a low rider level of clearance, but it's there. Not rubbing anywhere on both sides. So Well, I need to get back on that mower. I'm getting stuck just walking out here. Kind of low impact for as wet as it is. Because it's been raining the last couple days. It's just been pouring rain. So, hopefully this video turns out good. I don't know where it quit recording at. Oh, parking brake. I'm going to relocate that to like up here or something. Maybe put it there so you can just flick it. I don't know, something needs to be done different. I think all it is a cable running off that going back. Maybe we'll just move it. I'm thinking like right there. Put a longer cable on it and you can just tick, 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 tick. That's where it should be. Why would you have it down here? Like everything else is where you can get at it real easy, and then you want to go, you got to reach down here. Anyway, gripes. I really do like that though. Apparently the birds don't. Darn it. Just what I was complaining about. Alright, we're going to call that a video. I got to get the other wheel on there. I tried that set of tires on here. It's all the same bolt pattern, but the problem is the tires that were on this are way too small for that. That thing was high centered on its back. Actually, the deck, they weren't even tall enough to hit the ground with the deck being there. So it was balancing on the deck. So that didn't work. But I can swap these two out fairly easy. And I figure have this here until it dries up, we get more into the summer. And then I can flip them back easy enough. Just 4 bolts, 8 bolts, 8 bolts on each. So, easy enough. Can't really say how the fuel economy is. I've mowed this area a couple times, so that's on 2 gallons. So that's pretty good, I think, so far for 25 horse Kohler. So, alright, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay tuned for more.